Hello everyone, this is Rich. In this video, I'm going to show you how to zoom in or out a video clip on iMovie. There are two methods to zoom in a video on iMovie by using its crop to fill and cam burst. Now let's get it started. First off, just import the video to the timeline of the iMovie by going to File and the top and then select Import Media. Before you start to zoom in a video, just trim a video clip by pressing the Command and B key on your keyboard. For example, I want to zoom in this boat in the video. Now I will just select this video clip. Next, find this cropping tool at the top of the preview window. Then we choose the crop to fill. Then drag the corner of the box and then move it to the boat or to the place you want to zoom in. We could just make it a little smaller. Okay, so the inside part of the box will be C, while the outside part of the video will disappear. Now let's just check how it looks like. Sometimes you may want to slow down the zoom in part of the video. To do that, just right-click the mouse and then find the Show Speed Editor. After that, you will find there is a speed editor bar. To slow down or speed up a video clip, just drag the slider to left or to the right. Now we want to slow down this zoom in video clip, so we just drag it to the right. Okay, now let's just check again. So you can see it's simple to do that. Okay, next we just continue to zoom in our video clip using another tool called the canvas. The canvas, you could just click on the canvas and then there will be two boxes, the start one and the end one. The start box means where the zoom in will start, while the end area means the zoom in will end here. So to zoom in this boat or any object within the video, just make sure the start area fits the whole screen, and then move the corner of the end box and make sure and move it to the place where you want to zoom in the video. So for example, we just zoom in on this boat. Now let's just check how it looks like. Okay, as you can see, the zoom in is done smoothly by using the canvas. You could also click on this button called Swap the Start and End areas to swap their positions. Okay, these are two methods about how to zoom in or out a video on iMovie.